Okay, guys, I think they gave me the wrong room. I'm supposed to have 2 massive bedrooms and everything, but this part of the hotel doesn't seem. I mean, it's nice. Don't get me wrong; it looks nice, but here is my room, 821. Let's open the door. I'm a little bit frightened. A Venetian hotel room walkthrough. Oh God! Oh, nice. Oh God! Oh, that's a heavy door. Oh, it's a. Oh, there's somebody in my room. There's somebody in my room. Jen Vargas, Central Florida top 5. You just dropped me off at the airport in Orlando. What are you doing in Las Vegas? What?
I have nothing better to do.
What? Whoa! What surprise, surprise, surprise!
Welcome to your room.
Oh my God! Look at this place. Oh, okay, this is pretty impressive. I must say, really nice. This is the living room.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Jen! Look at the size of that monitor. Wow, that thing is ginormous. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
This is nice, Jen.
Wait till you see the other room.
Oh my God, let me start. You know what? I'm going to take everybody to the front double doors and start there, I think, because I didn't see anything. I seen you on the couch. Quick, let's run, everybody. Let's run. We got to go see. We're going to start fresh. Get ready. On your mark, get set. You don't need to be out of the shots. You stay in the videos. You showed up unexpectedly. You got to be in them now. It's your responsibility. All right, so let's pretend we just walked in the doors. Mind blown, double doors. Okay, so we got a little tiny bathroom. Normally in hotel rooms, there's a closet here with a couple hangers and an ironing board. But no, here, instead of that, you get a hippie in the mirror. Look at that, wow. So I'm assuming, oh yeah, or a man could be a man. I think Jen found something she really likes.
Yep. Kind of cool. I don't have to go to the gym now.
Look at this. Jen, this is an amazing room. So when we walked in and found Jen Vargas lounging on my sofa, we noticed we got a nice little table here. Look at this lamp. It's a paper lamp inside a glass. So it's glass with a paper lamp inside. That's really attractive. Whoa, what is this? They better have a coffee pot. What's this? Oh, nice little cupboard. Probably not gonna put anything in there. Look at this amazing place. Wow. Look at the size of that TV. That TV is taller than me. This is insane. Oh my God. Look at, this is one of those cool, these are electric. Wait for it, guys. I've seen these before. So you grab a remote control, right? This room has to have an amazing view, I'm assuming, because look at these blinds. So here it says raise. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at the view. It better be poolside. Oh, wow.
Yeah, penthouse view.
Penthouse view. Would you look at that? Heck yeah. Now that is a thing of beauty. You know what? Let's close that because I really don't want to look at that. Unless there's iguanas or something out there, I don't want to see that. But how cool, right? So now to the boudoir. Ho, 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 Marilyn Monroe, just kicking it there. Or no, it's more like Morticia Adams, or Elvira, that's an Elvira seat. Wow, another massive TV, that thing is ginormous.
It is.
Wet bar underneath, I'm sure. And look at this fantastic piece of goodness. Oh my God. Oh, I want to jump on it so bad. I just want to take my shoes off and jump. I got to put this remote back. I'm going to want to play with that window. Okay, so we've seen one bathroom. Check out this. Check out what I just seen before I hung that up. We got a closet, a walk-in closet with a safe. This is normally in the entrance of most hotel hallways. Ironing board, terry cloth bathrobes. Ooh, I shall be wearing one of those. But not only that, check this out. Ready? Look at this. A place for me to put my face on. Let's see here. Oh yeah. So I could put my face on, the hippie face. The hippie face. But that's not all. Would you guys look at the size of this bath? There's a toilet, another place where a man could be a man. With a telephone. You get a telephone. I can contact concierge from right there. And that's not, look at that. Wow.
That's very convenient.
Remote control. Is there a TV in here? Yeah, I bet it's in the glass. I bet it's in, let's grab, oh, there is no, it's a little TV up there. Some of them have it in the mirrors. But look at that beauty. And look at this. Wow. So fancy. Oh my God. A shower to dive. Oh God. No, hold on, guys. Hold on. Let's do this. Let me change the camera. Hopefully this grabs. This is everything. Look at this. Oh, it just has a door in it. Oh, well, it's a heavy door too. It's heavy glass. But you guys look at the size of this shower. I can't touch. My wings are out. I can't touch the walls. It's so big. You got a raindrop shower head. You get the massager. Ooh, so much goodness.
So the shower stall is social distance too?
Yeah, you can social distance in the shower.
Nice.
And it's clean. It's so clean.
Very considerate.
Beautiful. If you look here, this is that exercise thing. So you can finish exercising, walk right into take a shower or a bubbly. Wow. And another sink. So you got a sink in the other bathroom. You got a sink here and a sink over by you. Mm-hmm. Wow. We're styling and profiling.
Wash those hands.
All right, guys, that is a quick little room tour. There's a little shelf in here. I thought it was another sink. But that is a quick room tour here at the Venetian. Not the exact room I ordered, but it'll do. It'll do. And Jen Vargas from Central Florida Top 5 is here. So we're going to create some videos out on the town. Tonight, Sammy Hagar's Beach Bar. We're going to Hagar's. Then Hell's Kitchen, Chef Ramsay, if we can get an appointment there. But until then, I'm going to go ahead and sign off with Jen Vargas from Central Florida Top 5 once again, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm going to leave you with the beautiful view of our balcony window. Peace, everybody. Yeah, it doesn't go up by itself. You have to hit the button. Oh, there we go. Let them soak in the sights. Let them soak that in.